I have this Maytag, what is it? Insignia heavy duty dryer, and it stopped working. The control panel board is fine. It lights up, but when it failed, when I tapped this to switch it on, the motor would not start. And so you would do the obvious: check the door, make sure the sensor for the door is not broken, or maybe it's not locked properly, which prevents it from starting. So I did all that type of things to check. The motherboard would not, it would be stuck. I believe it was stuck in this position 40, and I think it said pause, and it would just not function. So what I did was buy a set of fuses on Amazon. There's only 3 here because the one that's here I ended up using because that was the one at fault. So what you could do is open up your dryer and find the 4 sensors. They would be this one, the one that's missing, which I'll show in a more of a graphic picture, and this temperature sensor. Now yours might be a white, longish, skinny shape plastic temperature sensor. My version is this version, so there could be 2. And the point of me making this video is to show you that you need to check the sensors for continuity, and that will tell you which one to replace and the reason, or maybe possible reason, that your dryer won't start. So this is the setting, and then you would just check and you would see the numbers jump. See? So that means there's continuity. You could flip this backwards and it'll still do the same. As long as it jumps, you know that there's continuity. If it doesn't, that means that's bad, and that's the one you need to replace. This one's brand new, but the old original one was functionally working, so I didn't replace it. So I'll save that for the future. Same thing with this. See, you could reverse it, and it'll still work. So it doesn't matter. But the trick is this one. And no matter what you do, this will not give you a reading. There's nothing wrong with it. It still works. I'm not sure why. If someone do know, let me know. This is the brand new one, and there's no reading. I checked the original. That still is working, and there is no reading on that one as well. So I replaced the one that does not have a reading broken, but the brand new one does. So that's how I knew that one was broken. That's the one I replaced. And I'll just do this real quick. So I hope this helps. And again, if anybody knows why this temperature sensor does not give off a reading, even though it functions, let me know. I would appreciate it. But so hope this helps for anyone that has an issue with their dryer.